Hi everyone, it's Wednesday the 19th of August today. We're in maths and we're going to continue looking at flipping shapes because flipping shapes is a little more trickier than just sliding them across, isn't it? To be successful, I know that flipping makes it look like it's in the mirror. So another word for flipping is reflecting. So reflections is the same thing. So mirrors are very helpful for flipping. I know that the shape stays the same size. It's very important that we know that when we're flipping or when we're transforming a shape, whether it's flip, slide, or turn, the shape stays the same. All right, so our transformations are here and we're focusing on flipping. So there's an example of how that triangle is flipped. And we've also got this example too, and it tells us a shape gives a mirror image. That was like the exact one that we did yesterday, where it was flipped, and it looks like that. I'm going to show you in two ways how I can flip some shapes. Let's look at the arrows first here. Well, first of all, let's slide it. So the arrow has been slid across. When the arrow is flipped, it will look like this. It's a reflection. It's just been flipped around. Right. With my pair of scissors that I have here, the light coming from there is, just close it. Might make it a little better. All right, so I've got my pair of scissors here, and I'm going to flip it. Have a think about what it's going to look like when I flip it. Ready? Now it looks like that. All right, still the same. I haven't changed the shape, hasn't gotten bigger, hasn't gotten smaller. It's just been flipped. I'm going to show you on our geo board that we used yesterday. Now I made a T. Now to flip it, it's going to still be a T, but I need to make it go the other way. I'll show you. So I'm going to start putting my T together. Like this. There you go. All right, the T has been flipped. So it's still the exact same size. It's got the exact same number of dots around each, but it's like a reflection. It's been put in the mirror. Your task today, we are logging on to Essential Assessment and we're doing the My Numeracy activities. Let me show you how we do that. So you remember this page, you need to put in your details and make sure they are correct. So you need to look at your login page to find that. Click sign in. If something comes up like this, just click not now this site. Then it should have one circle in the middle. It says measurement geometry. Click on that one. And then it will say location and transformation because that's what we've been doing this week and last week. So we're going to click on that one. And I don't want you to click start here. That's a test. I don't want you to do that one. I want you to click here where it says My Numeracy. Click on that. And you've got a few different tasks that you can do, but I want you to start by doing this one here, describe flips and slides. That's our focus for this week. So let's click on that and then click start. And away you go. You need to read the question carefully. First one says, which two objects are the same size? You need to look at them. You can enlarge it just to have a look. Those two are the same size. Okay, so click that one and then click next. What's the next question? You can work your way through. So which are the same size? Then they're going to get a bit trickier as it goes on. Which image shows the object flipped about the line? Okay, so what is that skateboard going to look like when it is flipped? It's like putting it into a mirror. Well, it's not going to look like that. It won't look like that because that'll be a slide. Looks like this when it's flipped. All right, yeah, it will look like that. All right, so I want you to work your way through here, and if you've got any questions after, we can work through it for the rest of this week.